Hi friends, welcome to Arivilam. So in this video we are going to create a presentation design like this. Before we go into this video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Let's begin. Open a blank presentation. So we don't want this title and subtitle, so I'm going to select a blank layout. First we will be inserting image because image will give you the pattern where you want to add design and all. Go to picture. So if you have any picture in your system, you can select this device. Now I am going to select the stock image. I'm going to select this image, insert. So now I got this image. I'm expanding this image. I'm using this designer. So while I'm using this designer, it will automatically insert one rectangle. So I don't want this rectangle. So I'm selecting this rectangle and unlocking it, and I'm deleting the rectangle. I'm keeping only the image. So now I'm going to insert one hexagon. Now we can rotate this hexagon 90-degree left. Okay, so this is the viewpoint I want. So I'm keeping this here. Okay, let's duplicate this. Control D for duplicate. Now I'm going to select all the hexagons. Control D again to create more duplicate. Now I'm selecting all the hexagons. Control D again, keeping it here. Select all the hexagons, create more duplicates. Now I have created this design. Now I'm going to select the picture, go to picture format, selection pan. I'm going to hide this picture. The next one, I'm going to insert one rectangle here in the slide size. If you don't want this unwanted areas, you can also delete those areas. Now I'm going to select all, Control A for select all. Go to shape format. Here merge shapes, click on combine. So this will give you this pattern. The next one, go to this image and unhide this image. Now you can see this pattern now. We are going to select picture first. Hold control key and select the freeform shape. I'm going to shape format, merge shapes. Here I'm going to select fragment. Now you can see we have created these many numbers of pictures. I don't want this bigger rectangle. I'm deleting this. Duplicate the slide, select the slide, press Ctrl D. Now you can see it is created one duplicate. Now I'm going to select the first slide, minimize the slide size. Now you can just randomly scatter all these images outside your slide. So I'm going to repeat this. So I'm going to play this video in a fast forward. There will be a small objects will be there, so you can also select those objects and delete it because it will affect the size of the file. So that is why we are deleting those small objects. Now you can see the full image here and it is scattered here. Now I'm going to select both the slides, go to transition menu and selecting morph option. Now let's apply the slide background. Go to design menu, go to format background, select any darker color, or if you like you can also select the light blue color which is also available in the picture. I'm selecting this blue color. Now let's try this. I'm going to apply this for all the slides. Now if you want to add any text here, you can add it. I'm going to copy them and here I'm going to paste them. I'm keeping this title here and content here. Go to slideshow, click from beginning. Now this is the slide 1 and this is the slide 2. If you want more presentation designs like this, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.